Good afternoon. It's Mike Zschunke with Berkshire Hathaway Homes and Shipton Properties in Scottsdale, Arizona. Just want to touch base real quick. We had a Fed rate cut today. Actually, I was in a meeting and a mortgage salesperson was speaking, celebrating the Fed rate cut. And I'm sitting there watching the bond market rise on my phone as she's explaining Fed rate cut and how it's good for mortgages. Completely clueless. But anyway, I just wanted to touch base, get on top of this. I'm already starting to see every realtor start to talk about Fed rate cuts. Actually, the 10-year treasuries closed up over 10 basis points today. Jerome Powell came out. Jerome Powell was pretty hawkish. Remember, it's not all about the Fed funds rate. Fed funds rate, I've said this over and over, is an overnight lending rate between the Federal Reserve and banks. Overnight lending rate between banks. Doesn't have much to do with your 30-year fixed rate. It's like the price of wheat going up or the price of wheat going down, and you anticipating the price of bread in 30 years being lower. Nobody knows. They kind of are unrelated. And actually, Jerome Powell was pretty hawkish in his the speech afterwards, which that's the part that really matters. He said December 1st, it will pause the reduction of the $6.6 trillion balance sheet runoff. Says there's some strains in short-term markets, short-term funding markets that they're starting to pop up. Though he will continue allowing its mortgage-backed securities to roll off. The Fed holds a balance sheet. During the pandemic, they bought a bunch of mortgage-backed securities to kind of boost that market up. They're going to allow that to roll off, but they're going to replace it with short-term treasury bills. Says there's little gained from trying to shrink the balance sheet anymore. So to me, that says mortgage rates up. But again, I don't know. Nobody knows. But I just want you to pay attention. If anybody is telling you your mortgage rate is going down because the Fed cut rates, they're completely clueless. Maybe they need an Econ 101 class. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give me a shout. 203-733-5877. We'll see you on Friday. Bye.